territories are there in India? 9. I have done already Union Territories video. I have already done Union Territories video. If you want to see the Union Territories video, there are 9 Union Territories and full information is available there. White is states, pink is festivals, yellow is tourist places, blue is capitals, red is language. Andhra Pradesh, capital is Amaravati, language is Telugu. Festivals are Sankranti, Dashara, Diwali. Tourist places are Tirupati, Vijayawada, Visakhapatnam. Arunachal Pradesh, capital is Itanagar. Festivals are Losar, Monpin, Naikum. Tourist places are Itanagar, Namadapa, 0. Languages are Monpin. Assam, capital is Dispur, language is Assamese. Festivals are Bihu, Di, Durga Puja. Tourist places are Guwahati, Kaziranga, Tezpur. Bihar, capital is Patna, language is Hindi, Bhojpuri. Festivals are Buddha Purnima, Chhat, Tej. Tourist places are Bodh Gaya, Nalanda, Vaishali. Chhattisgarh, capital is Raipur, language is Chhattisgarhi. Festivals are Dashara, Holi, Eid. Tourist places are Bhilai, Bastar, Kankar. State Goa, capital is Panaji, language is Konkani, Marathi. Festivals are Ganesh Chaturthi, Christmas, Holi. Tourist places are Panaji, Panda, Govela. Gujarat, state Gujarat, capital is Gandhinagar, language is Gujarati. Festivals are Navaratri, Diwali, Shravana Purnima. Tourist places are Somnath, Dwaraka, Ahmedabad. Haryana, capital is Chandigarh, language is Hindi. Festivals are Janmashtami, Holi, Diwali. Tourist places are Sultanpur, Kurukshetra. Himachal Pradesh, capital is Shimla. Languages are Pahori, Hindi. Festivals are Dashara, Shivaratri. Tourist places are Kulu Manali, Shravana, Dharmashala, Shimla. State Jharkhand, capital is Ranchi. Languages are Hindi. Festivals are Diwali, Dashara, Eid, Holi. Tourist places are Ranchi, Jamshedpur. State Karnataka, capital is Bengaluru. Language is Kannada. Festivals are Ugadi, Khajuraho, Dashara. Karaga, Dashara. Tourist places are Bengaluru, Mysore, Srirangapuram, Kerala. Capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Language is Malayalam. Festivals are Onam, Christmas, Easter. Tourist places are Munnar, Alappuzha, Tekkady. Madhya Pradesh, capital is Bhopal, language is Hindi. Festivals are tribal festivals, Holi, Diwali. Tourist places are Sanchi, Khajuraho, Gwalior. Maharashtra, capital is Mumbai. Festivals, language is Marathi. Festivals are Ganesh Chaturthi, Diwali, Karodatsal. Tourist places are Ajanta Ellora, Shirdi, Mumbai. Manipur, capital is Impal. Language is Manipuri. Festivals are Kong, Diwali, Durga Puja. Tourist places are Impal, Singda, Bishnupur. Meghalaya, capital is Shillong. Language is Khasi English. Festivals are Wangala, Nongkrem, Christmas. Tourist places are Cherrapunji, Shillong, Tura. Mizoram, capital is Aizawl. Language is Mizo English. Festivals are Mimkut, Palkut, Christmas. Tourist places are Aizawl, Champai. Nagaland, capital is Kohima. Language is Angami. Festivals are Thulni, Mostu, Sekri. Kohima. Tourist places are Kohima, Dimapur. Odisha, capital is Bhubaneswar. Language is Oriya. Festivals are Dashara, Radhayatra, Makar Sankranti. Tourist places are Bhubaneswar, Konark, Cuttack. Punjab, capital is Chandigarh. Language is Punjabi. Festivals are Gurupurab, Baisakhi. Tourist places are Amritsar, Ludhiana, Dariwal. Rajasthan, capital is Jaipur. Language is Rajasthani. Festivals are Teej, Holi, Sangur. Tourist places are Jaipur, Mount Abu, Jodhpur, Jaisalmer. Sikkim, capital is Gangtok. Language is Nepali. Festivals are Buddha Purnima. Tourist places are Gangtok, Gazing. Tamil Nadu, capital is Chennai. Language is Tamil. Festivals are Pongal, Diwali. Tourist places are Kanyakumari, Chennai, Ooty, Kanchi. Telangana, capital is Hyderabad. Language is Telugu. Festivals are Bonalu, Batukamma, Eid, Christmas. Tourist places are Hyderabad, Warangal, Karimnagar. Tripura, capital is Agratala. Language is Bangla, Tripuri. Festivals are Diwali, Durga Puja. Tourist places are Agratala, Amarpur, Jampui Hills. Uttaranchal, Capital is Dehradun. Language is Hindi. Festivals are Holi, Diwali, Uttarani. Tourist places are Mussoorie, Nainital, Haridwar. Uttar Pradesh. Capital is Lucknow. Language is Hindi, Urdu. Festivals are Diwali, Holi, Dasara. Tourist places are Agra, Sarnath, Allahabad. West Bengal. Capital is Kolkata. Language is Bangla. Festivals are Buddha Purnima, Baisakhi, Durga Puja. Tourist places are Kolkata, Darjeeling, Shantiniketan. I think you know all information about our Indian states. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe.